Hey everyone, welcome back to Rocky Ridge Auto. Today we got a 2023 F150 XL. Go ahead and take a look inside. Take a look at all the features. Let's hop inside. It does have 34,000 miles. You can access things within your instrumental panel over here. Back arrow, tune and hands-free calling and voice commands over here. Volume, and then you have your cruise control settings and lane keep. All super simple. This Ford can keep you safe, and then you have your gear shift behind here, putting it in reverse, backup camera, parking assist, all of that. Zoom into your hitch view if you're hauling anything, and then of course your regular backup camera view. Those rear parking sensors will alert you if you're getting near something. Lighting settings as well as bed light, and then your parking brake down below here. Door locks, window controls, and mirror controls. You do have 2 mirrors for that predictive look. Let's check out your touchscreen display and what else it has to offer. So you do have built-in navigation, which is nice to use. You can see and save places, and then connect a phone, and we can access your apps, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, connecting a phone that way. And of course, using your settings, you can see your vehicle hotspot, 911 assist, Ford assist, software updates, clock, general display, radio, AM and FM radio, Sirius XM. Features, that is your towing, owner's manual, so in case you don't find anything there in your glove box, have it right here. Driver assistance, safety features, and then your home menu. See what you want, see what you need, everything in there. Up above there you have your auto off. That is your stop and go traffic, turning on and off. Your camera that you can see at all times. Full view isn't available when you click just the button, but you have your hazard lights and traction control off. You have a little bit of some storage up top here, but you have your manual controls for your screen right here. Climate controls, super simple to understand. Airflow, temperature, mode. Over here is your 4-wheel drive options. You got some plugins, plenty of charging ports throughout this F-150 actually. You have USB, USB-C plug-in, and then a 12-volt up above. You have USB and USB-C for plugging in a phone. Down below there, some storage, cup holders, and then you have your key fob right here, and you have some storage up above there, storage in here. And this tray can be moved around as well as taken out. Cup holders back there for the passengers, but taking a look back here, you have cup holders on each of the doors, and then those cup holders, like I mentioned. Here's the charging ports for the backseat people, which is a 12-volt plug-in, and then a USB and USB-C plug-ins. Air vents for everyone to stay comfortable. Pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. And then you do have these seats here that fold up. Plenty of space within. You have plenty of storage to go ahead and take anything, anytime. This is all-wheel drive, of course, 4x4. So you can use that. Putting that down. That wraps up everything for this Ford today.